Today I'm sharing 10 high-protein snack ideas that will help you lose weight, burn belly fat, and fuel your body with clean energy. Whether you're trying intermittent fasting, low-carb, or just want healthier choices, these snacks are simple, tasty, and backed by science. 1 Greek yogurt with berries, high in protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. A perfect gut health booster. Just 1 cup of Greek yogurt with fresh berries keeps you full and balances your blood sugar. 2. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are the king of protein, low in calories, high in nutrients, and easy for meal prep. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper, and you've got a weight loss powerhouse. 3. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is a slow-digesting protein. Pair it with pineapple for natural sweetness and digestive enzymes. Great for a late-night snack without spiking insulin. 4. Almonds and walnuts. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Just a handful reduces cravings and supports heart health. Be mindful of portions, though. Nuts are calorie-dense. 5. Protein smoothie. Blend whey protein, spinach, avocado, and almond milk. This snack fuels muscle recovery and keeps you full for hours. A perfect post-workout hack. 6. Hummus with veggie sticks. Chickpeas give you plant-based protein plus fiber. Pair with cucumber, carrot, or celery for a crunchy, low-calorie, high-protein treat. 7. Tuna. Salad cups. Mix tuna with a little Greek yogurt and lemon. Serve in cucumber slices or lettuce cups. Super low carb, rich in omega-3s, and great for belly fat burning. 8. Turkey or chicken roll-ups. Take lean deli meat, roll it with cheese or avocado, and you've got a protein-packed snack with zero guilt. Perfect for keto and low-carb lovers. 9. Edamame with sea salt. Plant-based protein at its best. Edamame is filling, high in fiber, and balances hormones naturally. A great snack for vegetarians. 10. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk overnight. Add a little cocoa powder or berries. This superfood snack is high in protein, omega-3s, and gut-friendly fiber. So there you have it. 10 high-protein snack ideas that are easy, delicious, and will keep your energy steady all day.